kitchen. So today we are going to be making chicken and gravy with rice. So before we get into our recipe and grab our ingredients, I really want to thank everybody for the support that you give my channel. From comments to likes and sharing, y'all are just wonderful. So as always, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So with all of that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and make some chicken and rice with gravy. So for our chicken and rice with gravy, we're going to need the following: chicken breast cut in half lengthways, Cajun seasoning, oil, butter, onion, bell pepper, celery, garlic, chicken broth, chicken bouillon, cream of chicken soup, and rice. So we have our chicken that we've cut lengthways in half. And what we're going to do is we're going to need to season these on all sides. And as always, whenever we are messing with raw meat, we want to make sure that we wash our hands. So get this here. And you can use your favorite Cajun seasoning. I use the Tony Sachets, so we're going to season all sides. And then once we get this done, we're going to move over and start cooking. All right, so we have some oil that's been heating up over a medium-high heat, and to this we've added some butter. So now we're going to add in our chicken, and we are going to sear both sides, and we're going to roughly sear them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. So now that our chicken is done, we've added some more butter to our pan, our Dutch oven, and now we're going to add in our bell pepper, celery, and onion. And we're going to saute these till our vegetables are soft. So our vegetables have been softening or sauteing for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to add in our garlic. And we're going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. So now that our garlic is cooked for about a minute or so, we're going to now add in our chicken broth. Oh, my sinuses are running from the Cajun seasoning that we cooked up. We're going to add in our chicken bouillon. And our cream of mushroom soup. Now, depending on how thick you want your gravy, you may need to add, I'm sorry, not thick, or how thin you would like your gravy. You may need to add some more chicken broth to this. We'll get this all mixed up. Come on. Cajun seasoning that's in the air has my sinuses running. So once I get this all mixed up, we're going to add in our rice. Okay, that should be good enough. So, and I've pre-rinsed my rice. So now we're going to cover this and let this go for about 15 minutes. And then about halfway through, we're going to give it a stir and see if we need some more broth to add to our pot. All right, so this has been going actually about 25 to 30 minutes. And our rice is perfectly cooked. So now we're going to add in our chicken and any drippings that have accumulated in the pot or the bowl. And we're going to give this a good mix. Make sure everything gets submerged in the rice and the gravy. And so what we're going to do is we're going to let this heat up the chicken for about 10 minutes before we serve up. All right, so everything is heated up through and through. So let's give this a taste test. Oh yeah. Nice kick from the Cajun seasoning. So I really do hope everyone gives this recipe a try. I really think you'll be enjoying this, and it's a great, quick dish to be made during the week. And as always, I want to thank everyone for watching. Remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that all being said, I'm going to finish up this bowl, and I will see you next time. So enjoy cooking in the kitchen.